Hola a todos, Del here. And I have a suggestion for those of you trying to learn a foreign language, specifically Spanish. I tried in college, and unless you're in the environment where Spanish is spoken and you don't keep after it, you kind of lose out what you've learned. Well, as just a suggestion to make life a little bit easier, you might consider, say, the books that young children read. And they have amazing stories in there. This one's about Paul Bunyan, and this is the page 1 of it. Paul Bunyan era el niño más grande, inteligente y fuerte que naciera jamás en el estado de Maine. Now what that amounts to is Paul Bunyan was smart and strong and a grand hombre, and he was born in the state of Maine. So that's a kid's book for you, and it's mostly pictures. If you can't figure it out, you can look at the pictures to help you. I don't mean to demean or insult anyone's intelligence. I'm just trying to give you a heads up about something that may help you. I tried again a few years ago with more Spanish, and I went through the system twice. And again, if you don't keep after it, if you don't have the luxury of being in a Spanish home where Spanish is speaking, you tend to lose out on it. Spanish has about 180,000 words, and I'm just estimating here, while English has about 250,000 words. Say a person could get by with maybe 2,500 words just getting by, but the verbs always tripped me up. So I feel for people that have that challenge of learning a foreign language. And this, with the pictures of the whole book, the books, you can see it's not a real book, more of a booklet, but it's the kind of thing that the young, maybe even preschoolers would be looking at. So just a suggestion, try to help you along. I hope this helps. Adios, amigos.